If you run a small business in 2026, Canva is not just for pretty designs anymore. It can become your marketing machine. In this video, I will show you how to use Canva to build your brand identity, create content faster with AI, and make your business look more professional online. So if you are a small business owner, freelancer, or digital product seller, this video is for you. In this video, we will discuss four parts, namely the 2026 shift in marketing, brand kit mastery for credibility, AI efficiency hacks that save hours, global content strategy for wider reach. Marketing in 2026 is different from the old days. Before, small businesses only needed a logo, a few Instagram posts, and maybe a simple flyer. But now, your audience sees hundreds of brands every day. They scroll fast, they compare fast, and they trust brands that look professional. There are three big shifts happening right now. First, marketing is becoming more AI driven. Small businesses can now use AI to create captions, designs, videos, presentations, product mockups, and social media posts faster. Second, content is becoming video first. People do not only want pretty graphics anymore, they want reels, shorts, TikToks, product demos, behind the scene videos, and educational content. Third, branding matters more than ever. Because AI makes it easier for everyone to create content, many brands start looking the same. So your colors, fonts, tone, visuals, and message need to feel recognizable. And this is why Canva is one of the best tools for small business marketing. You can create your brand kit, social media posts, product catalogs, presentations, short videos, thumbnails, ads, lead magnets, and even website graphics in one place. For beginners, this is powerful because you do not need to start from zero every time. Before creating content, do not start with random templates. Start with your brand identity. Your brand identity is what makes people recognize you before they even read your name. In Canva, you can use the brand kit feature to set up your brand colors, logo, fonts, visual style, templates, and brand assets. For example, if your business is a skincare brand, your colors might be soft, clean, and feminine. If your business is about tech or digital income, your colors might be blue, teal, navy, or green to create a modern and trustworthy feeling, which is like I do. If your business sells handmade products, you might use warm colors, natural textures, and friendly fonts. If your business is in coaching or education field, use simple layout and trustworthy fonts. In short, do not start with random templates. Here's what you can do to start your own brand kit. First, upload your logo on Canva and then add your main brand colors. Choose two or three fonts and then save your design elements, icons, or patterns. Apply them to all your future designs. This is important because if you want international customers to trust you, your brand cannot look messy. A consistent brand makes your small business look bigger, credible, and professional. Even if you are 1% business, your content can look like a real brand. Wow. So here's the tutorial. So this is the brand kit feature on Canva. Apparently, if we see this icon of crown, it means this feature only available for premium users. If you're not yet subscribed for Canva Premium, you can go to your dashboard and subscribe for it. And let's start from scratch. Here we will make logo. There are plenty of features here. So let's start with logo. This is Canva AI. We can literally make any logo that we want. We can also add our photo or our handwriting to make the logo, or we can just type anything. Just for example, we can click on generate and Canva will make the design for you. So here is it. Let's use this one and we can download it first. If you are subscribed for Canva Premium, we can adjust the size and then limit size, compress file, etc. Let's download it in PNG format. Now we go to the brand kit. Let's start a new brand kit here. Create new brand kit. Name the brand. Add brand color. We can use this tool, pick a color, and then add a new color. We can add 3, 4, or 5. Okay, once enough. Click on save. And then we can go to logos. We can add our logo here. Upload files. And then we can add fonts here. For title, we can use this font, and then for subtitle, we can use maybe another one, etc. Brand voice, we can use our own voice or AI generated can also be the option. Photos, here we can add our products and it will make the promotional photos for you. Components, if there's any component that related to your brand, you can add it up here. Graphics mean icon or designs that you make with PNG format. You can add it up here so that you can use it in the future on your posters or your social media posts. Same with icons. Icons means the typing icon. It differs with graphic means that like PNG format for your poster, but icons mean in the typing form. Charts color, we can use the same colors here. Use the code. Copy, and we can use it here. Like this. Now, let's talk about how to save time. Because as a small business owner, you probably do not have time to design one post or two posts for 2 hours. This is where Canva AI features can help. One useful feature is Magic Design. You can type what you need, such as Instagram post for a small bakery launching, a new menu, or promotional design for online course. Canva will generate design ideas that you can customize with your own brand colors and fonts. Another useful feature is Magic Write. You can use it to create caption ideas, product description, or promotional text. For example, and then there is Magic Edit in which you can adjust visual without redesigning from scratch, and of course with templates and your brand kit as well. You can keep everything consistent and faster. Here's the tutorial. And here we can see there are so many buttons, but let's clarify it one by one. So if you want to make presentation, you can click on this. If you want to make social media posts, you can click on this, etc. Print shop, code, website, you can make everything on Canva for your marketing. Let's check on social media. Here we can generate any type of social media post. Either it's Instagram story, post, Twitter, TikTok video, etc. So we can just click on one example. Let's check Instagram post. Here we can describe any idea or any reel that we want. Post for we can generate it. Just click on it and it's editable. We can edit it and adjust with our ideas. As Canva, we can edit every element in this poster. We can add a background, change style, redesign this, or we can also use the existing elements on Canva. This is for shapes, for graphics. It means like clip art if you know on Microsoft Word. Mm, and we can add text here, add your brand name or your school. This magic media is the same. Like if we want to make images, graphic, videos, 3D to add up in our post, we can use this magic media. Another powerful feature is bulk create. This is perfect if you want to create many posts with the same layout but different text. For example, you can create 30 quote posts, 20 product promos, 10 testimonials, a full month of tips, multiple product price lists with different language versions of the same content. So for bulk create, we have to make template or design in which we want to produce it in a scale. I will choose Instagram post. You don't even need to make the designs from scratch. We can use template for Canva. For example, tweet format, click on it, and then click on apps, choose bulk create, Now we will need sheet format file, or we can embed our application to Canva. We can also enter data manually, like what's the caption or who do you want to input. But let's just use AI for this. Go to ChatGPT or any other AI. I'll set to make content for you. Here I said make 30 hooks for real, and I asked it to make a downloadable file. After download it, we go to Canva, upload data, click on it, open, click continue, auto match field. It will connect to real hook, continue, create 30 designs. One design created and view design. Now your reels are ready. If you want your small business to reach international customers, your design needs to be easy to understand across cultures and languages. Here are few tips that you can use. First, use simple English. Do not use complicated words if your audience is international. Simple words convert better because more people can understand them. Instead of saying optimize your entrepreneurial visual communication strategy, say make your business look professional online. Second, be careful with colors. Colors can have different meanings in different cultures. So if you are targeting global customers, use clean and professional colors like blue, white, green, black, or neutral tones. Third, use diverse visuals. If you use people in your design, try to use visuals that represent different backgrounds, skin tones, and styles. This helps your brand feel more inclusive. Fourth, create multilingual versions. If you are targeting customers from different countries, you can create one design and make different versions in English, Indonesian, Arabic, or any language your audience uses. Fifth, avoid too much text. For social media, your design should be readable in 3 seconds. Use big headlines, short sentences, and clear contrast. Remember, your design is not just decoration, it is communication. If people understand your message quickly, they are more likely to trust you, follow you, and buy from you. Here is a simple workflow you can follow every week. So, if you are a small business owner, freelancer, digital product seller, or content creator, Canva can help you build a professional brand and create content faster in 2026. Start with your brand kit. Use AI features to speed up your workflow, use bulk create to multiply your content, and always design with your audience in mind, especially if you want to reach global customers. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to my channel for more business ideas using AI, Canva, digital tools, and online income strategies. See you in the next video.